Hi there guys, Luis from Vintage Action. I hope you're all well, and today guys I'll be doing the unboxing of China O'Brien 1 and 2 Collector's Edition that has been released today by Eureka here in the UK. 4K of China O'Brien 1 and 2. If you guys are in US, next month you're going to have the release by Vinegar Syndrome. But let's check this amazing cult classic that I watched countless times, like growing up. Number one, number two, I had the VHS of both China O'Brien 1 and 2. And let me show you just, guys, a nice slipcover. As you can see, China O'Brien, Cynthia Rothrock, Richard Norton, Keith Cook. This one is a 1990 cult classic. The first one, second one is from 91. As you can see here, about this one from HMV here in the UK. You can buy from Zavi, you can buy from Amazon as well. The cost of this one is like £29 at like a 20% discount, so it cost me roughly like £24. The 4K, usually the normal price is £29.99, so basically £30 the 4K and £25 for the Blu-ray. And look at this nice cool slipcover, Cynthia Rothrock here. Let me show you guys this nice cool slipcover, just released today, Monday the 29th, China O'Brien 1 and 2. So let me just show you guys. Oh, cool, nice, like artwork, the original artwork. So this one is from the second one. As you can see, nice cool original artwork, 4K Ultra HD, and this one is loaded with extras, as you can see, and I'm going to tell you in a minute like the extras. But look at this nice cool artwork. So let me open this one. Okay, Ultra HD, one disc. Let me check here. This one comes with a cool booklet. Oh, and it comes with a poster as well. That's surprising, because like they didn't advertise like the poster, just the booklet. So let me show you the booklet first. Cynthia Rothrock, Eureka. It's a cool, nice booklet. Look at this nice, all the information about China O'Brien, China O'Brien 2. You can see here, probably have a lot of information about the like pictures here, some without picture, just like information, as you can see, about the movie. Oh, they have this cool nice artwork, one of the posters from the movie. Just information as well. This one with some nice cool pictures, and here Cynthia. So basically this one is like 30 page like booklet, and you have a lot of information about like about the movie, as you can see. Really nice, really nice, as you can see here, all the information. And this one, guys, is like literally a cult classic from the 90s. The first one from 1990 and the second one from 91. Let me just show you now the cool, nice, like poster. Look at this nice. Let me see if this one is not like a gigantic one. It was like a A3 poster. This is the artwork from the, as you can see, from the slipcover, the new artwork by Eureka. And this is cool, nice artwork. Look at this nice, cool poster. This one deserves to be like frame this one. Look at this nice, cool poster from China O'Brien. And this one is a cult classic, guys. Like probably you guys that love the 80s and the 90s, you grew up watching like these two. This one actually comes just with one disc, so basically I guess all the two movies and all the special features are on the one disc. Usually it comes with two, but basically it's just one disc. Everything comes on this disc. So basically, guys, when it comes to the special features, as you can see, is like loaded with special features. Let me just 4K UHD Blu-ray presentations of both films in Dolby Vision, HDR10 compatible, uncompressed original mono audio of China O'Brien and uncompressed original stereo audio of China O'Brien 2, brand new audio commentary on both films by action cinema experts Mike Leader and Arnie Venema, brand new audio commentary on China O'Brien 2 by Asian film expert Frankie Diang, Asian Film Festival, New York Asian Film Festival, brand new select scene commentary on both films by Cynthia Rothrock, brand new interview with Cynthia Rothrock, brand new interview with Keith Cook, brand new interview with Leon Hunt, author of Kung Fu Cult Masters, Bruce Lee to Crouching Tiger, brand new interview with critic and filmmaker James Mudge, trailers, reversible sleeve featuring original poster art. So this one is like loaded with special features. It's great. I don't see here any interview with Richard Norton. I find it like strange. But I thought they were going to have one even like archival with Richard Norton. Let's see if like Vinegar Syndrome is going to put like more special features when it comes to this one. So and I need to check the quality of this. Like I watched the trailer online on their like website. I mean, the picture quality looks amazing. I think the transfer was like they did, it was amazing. I guess the one from Vinegar Syndrome they already announced that is going to be a different transfer than the one that Eureka did. So I mean, it's just like wait and see to check all the special features that we're going to have on the Vinegar Syndrome one. So but yeah, guys, I mean, if you are big fans of the movie and you don't want to wait, this is like a 4K disc, so it's like region free. Even if you are in US, you can order this one from Eureka. Now they are in US as well, but this one is going to be only like distributed here in the UK. I guess like you know, like rights and everything, because like Vinegar Syndrome is like releasing it like in US, so they couldn't release this one in US, so this one is going to be released only here in UK. But if you are big fans, you can buy it from the Eureka like website, you can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it on Zavi. Basically this one is available literally everywhere. And yeah, it's like 30 pounds, guys, the 4K. If you want to buy the Blu-ray with both movies, like roughly 25 pounds. And yeah, guys, I'm super happy with this one. I had the VHS of both movies, the first and the second one, growing up. And also you have Billy Blanks. Billy Blanks is on the second one. He has like a small role, a minor role on the second one, but is on this one as well, the second one. So that's like great news, guys. And yeah, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this review, this unboxing of China O'Brien, the new release from like Eureka Entertainment here in the UK. China O'Brien on 4K 1 and 2, and on this like cool box set. And you have the poster, you have the booklet, and you have this cool, nice slipcover of China O'Brien. And yeah, guys, I'll be with you guys soon, unboxing, reviewing these cult classics, especially the ones from the 80s and the 90s. And yeah, guys, keep strong.